Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how a girl tried to scam me of my owl. Yesterday I posted a video seeing what people offer for my neon frost theory, and I entered it away in that video. But a little after that, I finished recording the video. I joined a super rich Roblox server, and there was like this girl with a frost dragon. I wanted to offer, so I was offering, and suddenly she changed the frost dragon for an owl, and I had a neon unicorn and a neon frost fairy. So I got rid of my neon unicorn and added a red griffin and a neon frost fairy, of course. And then she hit accept, then she declined, and then she traded me again because she wanted to do the trade. So we did the trade, my neon frost fairy and a red griffin for her flyred owl. Let me show you guys my owl. It's so cute. And also guys, by the way, I got 40 Rexes, now I can make a neon. This is my owl, her name is Kettle. I don't know why, I just think it looks like a kettle, so I named it Kettle. She has her glasses, her picnic basket, red bow, and her little sneakers. And she's also flying red, by the way. Oh, sorry, not time. It's super cute. And guys, then we did the trade. I was super happy that she did the trade with me, and she looked happy at first, and then suddenly, I don't know what happened, she wanted to trade back or something. But she pretended like she pretended that I scammed her. Like, you guys know scamming is bad, and I would never ever scam somebody. And then she pretended like I scammed her. She's like, give me back my owl, give me back my owl, give me back my owl, please, please, please. And she like I scammed her, and I didn't. And then she forgot the topic of that I scammed her. She told the whole server that I scammed her. That was very rude of her. Indeed, very rude and childish. And then she was just like, trade back. I was like, okay, fine. And I mean, I wanted to see what like she wanted to trade for my owl. No. And then she put up an Aussie egg and a ladybug in my offer. And of course, I just did a trade with my neon frost, and I won't do it with just an Aussie egg and a ladybug as ads. I'm sorry. And you guys know that I'm obsessed with shadow dragons, frost dragons, bad dragons, and giraffes and stuff like that. And then she had a frost dragon also, and I was just like, I wanted to see what she wanted to offer for my what do you call it, my owl. Okay, I'm just like okay. So I wanted to see what her offer was, and then she put up an Aussie egg and a ladybug as her ads with the new. As the offer I did with her, she added like the ladybug and Aussie egg. Okay, so then I was just, guys, as I said, I will only trade my owl for a frost dragon or a super good offer. So I was just like, can you do the frost dragon? Can I offer for your frost dragon? And I'll add a neon unicorn and some pretty good ads with the owl. And then she was like, no. And then she started telling me that she wasn't the one who did the trade. She was like, it was my cousin, I didn't mean to do the trade. So she said that, and then it was my cousin who did the trade. Like, that's literally the biggest lie ever. Like, I know that her cousin wasn't the one who did the trade with her. That is clearly a lie. And then like, she was just like, I didn't mean to, please give it back. And she wanted my owl for free. Basically, she wanted to keep my neon frost fairy, and she wanted the owl. Like, oh, that's very mean. Then what she did was, she was just like, it's not my owl. I was like, what? And then she was like, it's my sister's owl, please give it back. My sister is dying, and she's sick, and she will ask for an owl. Like, okay, I know that it isn't true. Like, okay, listen, the point is that, oh, my owl aged up. If somebody is dying or is sick, they don't play adopt me and ask for an owl. That is indeed a fact. Okay, that's a fact. No one asks for an owl if they're dying. And it was clearly a lie. Then what she did was, she was just like, she said that you don't even care that you stole my little sister's dream pet, and I didn't steal anything. We did a fair trade, and I'm not just going to give somebody my owl for free, especially a scammer. Like, no, never. And then she tried to convince me that she wasn't the one, and I know she was tried to scam me and wanted to trade she wanted me to give her owl for an Aussie egg and a ladybug and my offer that I gave her. So guys, the lesson of this video is, please do not get scammed, or don't scam anybody. Never ever trusted, or those people, like, they're just like, buy my lemonade or buy my hot dog and I'll give you 100 like a pet or something like that. Guys, never do those trades. So yeah, I'll meet you guys in the next video.